Here's all you need to know about PPF presented to you by Finbull, a finance bulletin. Hello, people. So, most of us directly or indirectly participate in the stock market, indirectly being through mutual funds or insurance companies. And obviously, for a person who participates in the stock market, returns on fixed deposits seem inferior. But with the market being so volatile and posing such high risks, a sound investor would always prefer to diversify. No doubt equity market generates better returns than any other asset class, but it is not exactly risk-free. We can all relate to this with the March 2020 market mayhem or the recent fall of Nifty from 18,500 levels to 17,300. So, in order to hedge against the volatility of equity market, one can diversify his portfolio into gold, real estate, or debt instruments. But we believe investing or parking some of your savings in PPF account is one of the best options. We obviously have reasons to believe so, and by the end of the video, you will too. Now, what exactly is PPF, one might ask? PPF is a tax saving investment vehicle that enables one to build a retirement corpus while saving on annual taxes. Words, 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 am I right? Don't worry, we will discuss all this in detail. There are very few instruments that fall under the triple E category, and the one which is very accessible and readily available is PPF. What exactly is EEE category? Firstly, the investment up to 1,50,000 is deductible under Section 80C. Secondly, the interest what you earn on PPF is exempt. Then, on maturity, whatever sum lands on your palm is tax-free, principal or interest. So this is all exempt, exempt, and exempt. Then the tax-free, risk-free rate of interest is 7.1%. And its maturity is 15 years, so you won't get tempted to withdraw it. Although partial withdrawal is possible post 5 years of inception. You can also open your PPF account with an amount as low as rupees 100, making a minimum annual investment of rupees 500. One might wonder what if you are in an urgent need of money before your account matures? No worry, PPF has got you covered. You can easily get a loan against your PPF balance from 3rd financial year up to 6th financial year. Now, do you happen to know the 8th wonder of the world? No, it obviously is compounding. अरे, आखिर मूल से ज़्यादा प्यारा तो ब्याज होता है ना? Well, now let's talk about compounding. Let's now understand how compounding works with the help of numbers. The current rate of interest is 7.1%, but let's round it down to 7%. Although minimum annual investment is merely rupees 500, but we get a deduction up to 1,50,000 rupees under Section 80C. So let's assume the optimum value of 1,50,000 to be our annual investment. And the term beaten maturity, which is 15 years. Now, the total investment becomes 22,50,000 rupees, which is 1,50,000 into 15 years. And the tax-free amount in our hands is 37,69,353, earning us an interest of about 15,20,000 rupees. Amazing, isn't it? By the way, did you guys know that we can extend our PPF post-maturity with or without making any further investment? And assuming that most of you guys are in the age group of 20 to 25 years, just like us, having a planned retirement at say 60, we don't mind extending our investment further, right? Say we extend our investment by 5 years. Wow, we get 52,86,000 rupees. Let's say we extend it by 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Wow. While the maturity value at the end of 15 years was just 40 lakh rupees, by extending it to 20 years without making any additional investment, the amount becomes 1 crore 45 lakh rupees. And that too, as Baba Rancho would say, free, free, free. Now, if PPF checks all your boxes, what should you know more? Well, it's very easy to open a PPF account, as you can open your account with any nationalized bank or some private banks like ICICI or HDFC or Axis Bank. Then you can make investments in PPF in a lump sum or a maximum of 12 installments in a year. Although there is no upper cap, but interest on investment above 1.5 lakh will be taxable. It is suggested to invest before 5th of every month to make the most out of the interest compounding. Now, I believe we've given you enough reasons to love PPF just like we do. If you still need more reasons, here's a comparison of PPF with your beloved FD. You can take a quick look. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more.